Hello guys, I thought that after my other videos I brought you the video from the heart of the London, and after coronavirus how the London has been coming back to life as well, how people are trying to come back to normal life which they were missing for very long. I'm gonna give you the glimpse of that how the London look like today. So I'm gonna take you to different places. So this is our first place. So I'm standing in Hyde Park. Hyde Park is at almost center of London, where all of the London from everywhere people come here and they have fun. On my right hand side it is a Park Lane. On my front is Edgware Road, which is very famous for Middle Eastern when they come here for holidays. On my back is Green Park and Wingham Palace as well. So I'm gonna give you a glimpse of that, how Hyde Park is looking today. Here you can see that Hyde Park. You can see people are having fun. That is Park Lane on that side. That is Edgware Road and Marble Arch, and you'll see that Park Lane as well, and Hyde Park. Okay, this is Oxford Street, one of the most iconic shopping street in London. It's the most busiest street in Europe as well, and you can see that it's almost look empty. It used to be very busy, but nowadays dynamic has been changed after coronavirus. You see that very less people on the ground level, and the traffic is very slow as well. You can see that at my back. You don't see a lot of traffic. There's almost no traffic at all, and roads are almost empty on this Oxford Street. I am standing on Regent Street, which is one of the iconic streets in London for shopping as well. Here most of the shops are very expensive. You can see super expensive shops where most of the designer stuff for rich Arabs or Russians, rich people from different parts of the world, they come here and they do their shopping. But today you see that it's almost empty. You don't see that many people on the streets. I'm standing at one of the iconic place which is very famous all over the world. It is Piccadilly Circus, very famous screens, and that street is very famous for all the theaters, everything, where people all over the world they come and watch very famous theater. People all over the world, they kind of center of London again, Piccadilly Circus. Wherever you go in the world, they love to come here and they dream to come here in Piccadilly Circus. So I'm going to give you the glimpse of that. But right now it looks like it's almost empty as well. In normal days when you come, it's jam-packed. You don't even have a place to stand here. But today you see that you can relax here and very less people around. This is Piccadilly Circus. There all the theaters are there, you can see, but they are closed. So this is a glimpse of Piccadilly Circus. Okay guys, I'm standing at Leicester Square. Again, it's very famous in all over the world as well. Many tourists come here to have fun because there's nightclubs, all the casinos are here as well. And Leicester Square is very near to Trafalgar Square as well. So it is almost most of the time in the night time, it's very busy, jam-packed due to nightclubs and most happening places. Different people here, they're doing different arts as well, like a street art kind of stuff. But nowadays you can see that it is almost empty. So I just wanted to show you that how London has changed. So this is one of the most happening place of London. It has changed big time. It's almost empty. There's almost no one here. Hello guys, we are at most iconic place in London. This is Trafalgar Square. At my back, Black Lives people, they are demonstrating and they are protesting for their own rights as well. This is it is an iconic campaign all over the world. So I'm here to show my unity for them as well at the same time, and show you that how London is united and how London is united with Black Lives Matter as well and for their rights. I'm gonna show you how the things are. I'm gonna show you the glimpse of that, a bird eye view of this area, so you will find out what is happening. Black Lives Matter, Trafalgar Square. Black Lives Matter. Black Lives Matter, you can see that. At my back, it is Big Ben. It is under construction. So from here, we are going to meet Queen as well at her palace. So I thought I should give you a glimpse of that, of Big Ben. At that side, Trafalgar Square. Hello guys, I'm standing at Buckingham Palace, which is an iconic place, and Queen do all of her official stuff. Whenever Prime Minister, they need to take an oath, they first come here, they take the oath. They take the oath with Queen, and after that they go back and do their usual business anyway. It's very calm. You won't see that many people around here, or mostly security is very tight. You can see the security at my back as well. So I will take you a little bit further to see that how the things are. Beautiful Buckingham Palace, where Queen do all of her official stuff. It's a very beautiful place and calm and peaceful. London Eye, you see London Eye on your left. Deserted place, but it's beautiful. Finally, we have reached Tower Bridge, one of the most iconic bridge in the world, where most of the people from all over the world, they come here to see London, and River Thames as well. Most of the time when there is summer, it is almost packed, but due to coronavirus, you see that there are not a lot of people there, but still you can hear the music in the background, and people are enjoying the nightlife of London as well. The life is coming back. Beautiful Tower Bridge. People are having fun. London Mayor Office. River Thames. From here you can see Shard, another building in London, very famous, next to Mayor's Office, and River Thames, as you can see, and a few people around. I am standing on the footpath of Tower Bridge. You can see the traffic flow on my left. Traffic is not at that level which it used to be, but still you see that traffic is coming. People are having fun here, and weather is very good. Luckily, you can see that life is slowly, gradually is coming back to this beautiful city. You can see the traffic is flowing. Here you will see that beautiful River Thames and buildings around it. The whole purpose of this video was to show you the great city on this planet Earth, which is London. London is a city which never sleeps. It welcomes you all the time, and weather is very nice. People are very good, and whenever you have a time, please come and visit London, because London is coming back to life. Now is the time to say goodbye. Hope you have enjoyed my video, and I'll come back with new. Thank you very much.